what's up people? Hope you guys are doing really well. This is me Anu and you're watching Anu's World. In this video, I will be giving you some smart English expressions that you can use instead of those ordinary terms. And yes, by the end of the video, you can sound like an advanced English speaker. Replace these boring words with some cool ones and you can sound very fancy. The words which I am giving in these videos are closely alternative words but not the exactly dictionary words. So yes, let's begin the video. So yeah, let's begin. So the first one is busy, means occupied. Occupied. Second one is easy, means effortless. Effortless. Third one is tired, exhausted. Exhausted. Fourth one is bad, awful. Awful. Fifth one is happy, means euphoric. Euphoric. Sixth one is sad, means disheartened. Disheartened. Seventh one is small, which means compact. Compact. Eighth one is funny, means hilarious. Hilarious. Ninth one is lazy, that means lethargic. Lethargic. 10th one is scared, means frightened. Frightened. That's the end of the video guys. Hopefully you loved the video. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please give it a thumbs up and let me know how fruitful was the video in the comment section. Yes, please click on the bell icon to be notified on the channel whenever I upload a new video.